are the remains of tens of thousands, victims from both sides, who lost their lives in Spain's civil war. With every visit, I stare into the eyes of those angels with swords and think about all the heroes who keep dying for God and country at the request of the latter. Another place to remember the victims of Spain's civil war is back in Madrid at the Centro de la Sofia. This modern art museum has a fine collection of paintings, but we're heading directly to the epic work showing the harsh realities of modern war. In 1937, Guernica, a village in northern Spain, was the target of the world's first aerial saturation bombing. It was a kind of a dress rehearsal for the horrors of World War II, approved by Franco, carried out by Hitler. The Spanish artist Pablo Picasso heard the shocking news and immediately set to work sketching the destruction as he imagined. In a matter of weeks, he rolled these unshattered shards into a large mural called Guernica. For the first time, the world could see the destructive force of the rising fascist movement, a prelude to World War II. It's as if shards from the bombing are pasted onto the canvas. A woman looks to the sky. Horses scream. Soldiers fall, body shattered, swords broken. A wounded woman flees a burning house. A bull, woman is punches it all, walking over a mother and her dead baby. A mother baby. Picasso's painting threw a stark light on the brutality of Hitler and Franco. Guernica caused an immediate sensation, and with each passing year, it seems more prophetic. Picasso put a human face on collateral damage. Today, Spain enjoys its peace and prosperity. That's particularly characteristic of Hero Park. It's made to order for a green and breezy escape from the city. During weekends, it becomes a carnival of fun. Madrid's much-loved Central Park offers splendid picnicking, rowboating, and people watching. Opposite the park, the Prado Museum holds my favorite collection of paintings anywhere. The paintings give an eye-pleasing overview of Spain's rich history, from the Golden Age through its slow fade. In the 1500s, Spain was Europe's superpower, flushed with gold from newly discovered America, and ruled by this man, Emperor Charles V. Here, the great Venetian artist, Titian, portrays Charles as he was, the most powerful man in the world. Charles's son, Philip II, though very religious, collected a bevy of sensual Venetian paintings. In Titian's Venus and the Organ Player, we see the conflict these people struggle with, torn between high cultural pursuits, as symbolized here by music, and more worldly pleasures. Danae, also by Titian, is a virtual Renaissance Miss August. Money falling from the sky made royals and aristocrats, the people who commissioned this kind of art, feel their wealth was blessed by God. Hieronymus Bosch, who painted 500 years ago and seems radical even today, gives all this hedonism a different spin. His Garden of Earthly Delights, a three-paneled altarpiece that actually hung in the king's bedroom, shows where all this worldly temptation ultimately leads. First, man and woman are born innocent in the Garden of Eden, blessed by a kind God. Then, foolish people chase after earthly delights, a pursuit that is ultimately a vicious cycle. They're lured by the world's pleasures. Eating, drinking, sex. Two lovers are suspended in a bubble, and in the third panel, the bubble pops. These party animals are heading straight to hell, a burning post-apocalyptic wasteland where sinners are led off to eternal torment. Every sinner gets his just desserts, trapped by themselves consumed. Good time musicians are tortured by their own instruments. Gamblers have their party forever crashed. And a lecher gets sexually harassed by a pig-faced nut. In the center of it all, a face peers out of this bizarre nightmare. A self-portrait of the artist, Bosch.